we researched a number of digital sign providers throughout the nation. But there's something uniquely special about Mega LED technology. From the beginning of the process, throughout the process, they communicated openly with us. Everything they said came true. The quality of service was extraordinary.
And so we're very thankful to have partnered with this wonderful technological team that has set us on a whole new level with the sign that we have. We've had so many wonderful compliments on the sign. Since the installation of our sign, our viewership has increased. Also, our presence in the community has increased, as well as an increase in congregation of people joining the church. For some reason, we've been here over 100 years. People didn't know we were here and open. And so the sign has allowed us to have a greater visibility within the community.
We couldn't be more pleased with the sign. We've gotten so many compliments. It's been dependable, not one single problem with it since we've had it.
Not only are we able to communicate within the church, but outside of the church, and which allows people in the community to come in and say, hey, these are some of the things that I'm involved in as well, and how can we add to your efforts?
I was most concerned about the installation. Who was actually going to install it? They comforted me. The ease of use, how we've been able to program it, all of the messages that we've been able to put up there. It's been an extraordinary asset to our church. The visibility, we're on Williams Boulevard. There are thousands and thousands of cars that pass here every day. It's been a huge plus. It's been very easy to use, very flexible, fluid. For example, if Pastor Roberts or Pastor Simpson have a message on Saturday night that they want displayed on Sunday morning, it's very easy. They get that message to the person that does it for us, and it's up there.
If you're interested in getting a higher visibility, a larger footprint in your community, if you're interested in raising your congregation and bringing your numbers up, and also being able to highlight the wonderful things that you're doing in the community, I would recommend this company highly. What it's done for us has been unbelievable as far as people seeing, knowing who we are and where we are. We have been awesomely blessed by having this sign.
This has done nothing but enhance our ability to get our messaging out.